Have ever asked yourself what microservices are and microservices architecture? Microservices are a software architecture style that separates an application into small, independent services. This allows development teams to work on individual services in isolation and make changes without affecting the entire application. They are small, single-purpose applications that work together to build larger applications. These services can be developed and deployed independently of each other, allowing for more flexibility and scalability than traditional monolithic applications. Microservices are a software development architecture that encourages small, individual pieces of code to be written and deployed separately from one another. The idea is that this will make the code more manageable and easier to update as needed. Each of these microservices is its own self-contained unit that performs a specific task. Each microservice has its own database, which means that changes to one microservice do not affect any other. This can be beneficial for a number of reasons. It makes it easier for multiple developers to work on different parts of the same system at once. It allows individual parts of the system to be updated without affecting other parts. If there's a problem with one piece, it can be removed without impacting others, and it allows you to scale up or down easily by adding or removing pieces. Microservices architecture is a set of principles for building these microservices in a way that allows them to be easily integrated with each other and maintained independently by different teams. Microservices architecture is used by companies looking to scale their applications, as it allows them to add new features without having to rewrite or redesign the entire application. Microservices architecture is a software development approach that involves breaking down a program into multiple smaller applications called microservices. Each of these microservices has its own code base, and they communicate with each other over a network. A microservice-based architecture is a software design approach where a large application is divided into small, independent modules called microservices. Each service has its own API and communicates using lightweight protocols like HTTP for request, response or gRPC for streaming data. This allows teams to implement business logic independently from each other without needing to coordinate between them. Microservices are designed to be independently deployable, scalable, and upgradable. They can be written in any programming language, but the most popular choices are Java, Ruby on Rails, Python, Node.js and PHP. This architecture allows for much more flexibility when it comes to updates, since you can update one microservice without impacting the others. Additionally, if one microservice becomes outdated or no longer needed, it can be removed without affecting any other part of the system. The benefits of this architecture are that it allows for greater flexibility in development and deployment. It enables teams to work on different areas of the application at once, it makes testing easier, and it improves performance by allowing for more efficient resource allocation. Microservices architecture has gained popularity because it allows for more flexible development styles and faster deployment times, as well as easier scaling and maintenance. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to this channel.